Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Trust Wallet to crypto. Calm. We'll walk through the straightforward process of moving your digital assets between these two popular platforms. This easy method ensures your cryptocurrencies are transferred securely and efficiently, allowing you to manage your portfolio with greater flexibility. Get ready to streamline your crypto experience in just a few simple steps. First, let's prepare your crypto. Calm account to receive funds. Open your crypto. Calm application and tap on the transfer button. From there, select deposit and then choose the exact cryptocurrency you intend to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's crucial to copy the unique deposit address provided and verify that you've selected the correct network, such as ERC20 for Ethereum, to avoid any issues. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet application. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send, ensuring it matches the one you chose on crypto. Calm. Tap the Send button, then carefully paste the deposit address you copied from crypto. Calm into the recipient field. Enter the desired amount for your transfer. Double-check that the network, like BEP20 or ERC20, is identical on both platforms before confirming the transaction. Before finalizing, meticulously review all transaction details, including the address, amount, and network. Network fees, often a small fraction of a coin, will apply and vary based on blockchain congestion. For significant transfers, it's highly recommended to send a small test amount first, perhaps $10 or $20 worth, to ensure everything works correctly. This simple step can save you from potential losses and provide peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.